Health officials are tracking a rare hantavirus outbreak linked to cruise ship travel. Even though the World Health Organization says the risk is low, Americans are having flashbacks to the pandemic. Let's go to Emma Withrow for the fact check team. So even though health officials are stressing this is not the next COVID, the concerns are high. How dangerous is hantavirus compared to COVID-19, just in terms of hospitalization and death rates?
Yeah, so the best way to really compare them is kind of saying this. So COVID is a lot more widespread and contagious. That was the problem there, was how easily it was able to spread. But hantavirus can be a lot deadlier for the people who do get seriously sick. So the CDC says hantavirus pulmonary syndrome is fatal in nearly 4 in 10 people who are infected in this cruise-linked cluster, who says the case fatality ratio, they're saying it's currently 38%, so that's 3 deaths among 8 reported cases. COVID can also be pretty severe, especially for older adults, people with underlying conditions, but the CDC says risk varies widely by age and health status, but it's not a straight apples to apples comparison. But what we can say is it seems like hantavirus at this point is a lot more deadly.
Right, and it seems like, you know, ever since this unfolded, we've been rapidly hearing about exposure. Explain to us, elaborate a little bit more on why, if you suspect exposure, it's critical that, you know, you get early medical attention.
Yeah, sure. And from my understanding and what I read on the World Health Organization's website today, their documentation of this is they're saying that because patients can really deteriorate very fast, it's a very fast virus. So the CDC says that early supportive care is really critical even before the diagnosis is confirmed, because suspected hantavirus pulmonary syndrome can progress quickly, and delayed care lowers your chance of survival. So it's important to act fast. WHO also says that symptoms can start with fever, chills, muscle aches, dizziness, stomach issues even, but then it can suddenly turn into a respiratory distress and low blood pressure. So very interesting to look into all of this, and we're going to have to wait and see how this continues to progress.
All right, Emma, thank you.
Thanks.
And for more on this Fact Check Team topic, including links to their sources, scan the QR code or visit thenationaldesk.com.